We're rolling.
I got my fly swatter fishing rod. What I'm doing.
What if it hits me? I don't like bugs.
I don't know where it went.
Here's cicada, cicada, cicada. You'll hear it.
You probably went in your bedroom.
Oh, great. I apologize if I drop your phone at any point when running for cover.
Okay, we got a moth in here.
It's like in Parent Trap.
Are you sure that you want me swatting at this thing?
You're the softball player.
Yeah. I hit softballs, not bugs.
It's the size of a softball.
If it would make a noise, you know where it's at. I don't think it came in here. I think it went towards the light.
Don't they all?
Don't go towards the light. When we ran upstairs, it was flying around over here.
Maybe no, it didn't fly upstairs.
I know, I went in there. I'm glad we're putting this on camera. I don't know where it went. They're gonna hear me scream like a little girl whenever we find it.
I'll be screaming right there with you. That thing was nasty.
Yeah, it was like that big.
Why did it stop moving?
It has to be over here somewhere. This is the last place I saw it.
What is that beeping noise? Do you hear that? Oh, I think it's the fridge.
Here, buddy, buddy, buddy. I bet it went upstairs. We would have heard it though, right?
I would think so.
What is that? Is that a wasp?
Yes.
We are not going to
Did
sleep
it-
until we find this.
It didn't go outside, did it, when I came in?
No. Because it was flying up here whenever I shut the door. I don't see it.
There's the hot tub. Our activity of choice when we were attacked by the giant cicada that followed me in the house.
And we scream like little girls.
I don't like that this thing is hiding from us.
I know. Why can't it be out in the open? Like all the normal bugs.
Like it was when I was trying to get in the house.
Yeah. And it was eyeballing you. Oh, I found it! It's on the couch.
Oh no. Oh gosh.
Go around that way.
Oh gosh.
It's right there. You gotta get that on film. Oh, I got that one!
You hit the moth? Oh, the poor little moth. She killed it. Yeah. I'm afraid to get too close to it. It's going to fly at me.
Okay.
Don't squish it on their
No, I'm
couch.
gonna squish it towards the floor. At least knock it off. Ooh, we should get a shoe. Just in case this thing doesn't work. Look how big that sucker is. How am I gonna do this? I can't get a good... Okay,
We could-
you pull the couch that way.
You could get a cup and...
I'm not getting that close to it. Are
That's
you
how
gonna
I.
get
That's
that
how.
close to
That's
it?
how I get roaches.
Ew.
I have a hard time killing roaches or any bug.
So what should I do? Should
We-
you move the couch and I squat down at it, or what?
I don't know. I don't like bugs.
I don't either, but if I knock it off, who knows where it's gonna go? 5 minutes of this.
It makes me feel like I'm gonna pass out. My stomach's all willy-nilly. I don't know if I can do this.
Pull the couch.
I hold up my towel, hold the camera, and pull the couch all at the same time while not getting attacked by the giant cicada.
If it comes at you, duck, and I'm gonna swat it.
Okay, I can do this.
You can.
Where am I gonna run for escape?
That way.
What if it follows me like when I came through the door and it followed me?
I'll swat at it before then. Alright, you got this. You can do it.
What's your plan of action?
Okay, when you move the couch, if it moves, I'm going to hit it out of the air. If it doesn't, I'm going to swat down at it and hit it off the couch.
And I'm gonna curl into a fetal position on the floor no matter what.
Okay. You gotta make sure you get it on film too.
This is just too much. Hold on. Keep it in. We need a third person here. Okay, I can do this. Ready, right, get set, go. Okay, I can't pull the couch. I can't pull the couch with one hand.
B. What's plan B? Stick it in your shirt.
I can't do that.
This thing's gonna be asleep before we get this done.
I think it is asleep. How about if I
show it at my feet?
Okay. Here we go.
Okay, it didn't move. You ready for this?
No. Hold on.
No.
I gotta fix my towel.
Oh gosh.
Is it safe?
No.
Where did it? It keeps coming at me. Hold on. I gotta get to where I go in the bedroom. Nope, that's a bad plan of action. Are you sure? Hold on. Okay.
I wish you could have been out here. Oh gosh, she's not dead.
I told you.
I think he's dead now.
He's still moving his wing.
Nerves.
Good job.
Oh my gosh, I wish you could have been out here to actually see me swat.
I was too chicken behind the bathroom door.
Okay.
But what if he
open the door and then run away and I'm gonna fling it out the door?
But what if he starts flying around again?
Look at his wing, it's sticking up in the air. I don't think he's going anywhere.
This would be like a horror movie if he suddenly flipped over and flew at me. You can't really tell how big it is because there's nothing to
cut it in half pretty much.
There's nothing to compare it to. Okay. Alright, hurry before another one comes in.
I'm pretty sure that was it. Oh yeah, off the porch.
Victory.
Take that, stupid bug.
Cicada.
Yeah. Oh yeah, with the fishing rod. It even has fish on it.
And cut.